Hello everyone, you are welcome to today's class. So in this class, we want to look at questions on profit and loss percentage. That's for yes, 8 students. So the first question here says, a woman bought an article for 2,500 naira and sold it for 3,250 naira. Find the percentage profit. So here, what we're going to have is that less the cost price number one. The first thing is to the cost price. What's the cost price? 2,500 naira. Then the selling price is 3,250. So we need to check. So since the selling price is more than the cost price, that means there is profit. So there's profit. That is going to be 3,250 minus 2,500, and that will give us, we have 3,250 minus 2,500, and that gives us 750 naira. 750 naira. So find the percentage profit. So percentage profit now will then be the profit is 750 divided by the cost price. So profit percentage is always the profit divided by cost price multiplied by what? 100%. So that is how to calculate that. So we can then have it to be profit is 750 divided by 2,500 multiplied by what? 100, right? 100. So this zero, we cancel this zero. 5 can go here, 5. 5 can go here, 1. In 25, 5, that is 50. So 5 can also go here, 1, 5 here, that's going to be what? 30. So that means it is what? 30%, which is option D. This is very straightforward. Question number 2 now. For question number 2, what we have here is a man sold an item for 5,500. So that means the selling price is 5,500 at a loss of 6%. Find the cost price. So loss, we are given loss to be equal to 6%. Right. So cost price, we don't know the cost price, which is X. Let's make it X. Now, loss. So there will be loss if the cost price is more than the selling price. So that means before we go to percentage, the loss is cost price minus selling price. So which is equal to X minus 5,500. Right? So if that is the case, so loss percentage now, or percentage loss, which has been given to the 6%, would then be loss divided by the cost price multiplied by what? 100. That's one. So let's now put in the values now. So the loss percentage is 6%. That is 6 over 100. So once you use 6 over 100, then you not use 100 here again. So the loss, which is X minus 5,500 divided by the cost price, which is X. So from here now, it is X we are looking for. We just cross multiply here. So that's going to be what? 100 into brackets X minus 5,500, right? Equals to what? 6 times. So that will going to be 6x. We open the bracket. This will give us 100x minus 550,000 equals to 6x. So we collect like terms here. Collecting like terms, 6x will come and means 100x minus 6x. then equals to 550,000. So this will give us what 95x, sorry, 94x equals to 550. So we divide both sides by 94 by 94. So this cancel this, then x will then be equals to 550,000 divided by 94. So that gives us 5,851.06. So which means approximately 5,851. And that is going to be option B. So you have to be very careful when you are looking at the option. Option A and B looks alike, but they are not the same. Is that clear? So we move to question number 3 now. Question number 3. For question number 3, so question number 3, we have a trader buys 50 mangoes for this for 1,675 naira and sells them at 40 naira. He finds a profit or loss at this. So the first thing is they have known cost price. They give the price to be 1,605 naira. So we need to know the selling price to determine if it's profit or loss. So each mango was sold for 40 naira. That means we don't have 50 multiplied by 40 naira by 40 naira, right? So that gives us 50, that gives 2,000 naira, right? So that gives us 2,000 naira. So we now compare the cost price and the selling price. So from here, cost price is more than selling price is more than the cost price. So in that case, there is what? There is profit. So let's calculate the profit now. So the profit will then be 2,000 naira minus 1,675 naira, which will give us 325. So that's not what we're looking for. We are looking for profit percentage. So percentage profit now will then be the profit divided by the cost price divided by what? By 100. So the profit calculated now is 3,325 naira divided by the cost price 1,675 divided by what? 100%. So this will be, let's divide this by 1.5 times 100. So that gives 19.4. So approximately it is profit 1 and it is 19%. So which is option B. I hope this is clear. All right. So move to the next question, which is question number 4. Question number 4. Okay. Question number 4. So we have a man sells a bag of flour for 15,800 and makes a profit of 8% of the cost price. So 8% of the cost price, to find the amount, we sell it in order to make a profit of 12% of the cost price. So what we're going to do, we're going to adopt another method here. So now the first thing is the selling price. So the selling price there is 15,800 naira, right? So now cost price we don't know it, but we have percentage profit. Percentage profit here was 8%. So cost price cost price is what we're looking for, right? So this is what we're looking for. What we're going to do now is let's say the profit don't mind you that profit, it means that the cost price is less than the selling price. That's what it means. So in that case, we can say profit here is the selling price minus cost price, so which is 15,800 minus x. So profit percentage profit So which is profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100%. Excuse me. Multiplied by 100%. So profit, which is what? Cost price, which is 8 over 100, equals to the profit, which is 15,800 minus x divided by what? X. So from here, we just cross multiply. We cross multiply here. We're going to have 100 into bracket 15,800 minus x, close the bracket, equals what? 8x. So that will then give us uh, 1,5,800, then 00. So that gives us 1.58 million. All right. So equals minus 100x equals 8x. So this will give us 1,580,000 equals to 8 plus 100x. So this will give us 108x. This is 1,580,000. We divide both sides by 108, 108. So when you divide both sides by 108, so we're going to have, excuse me, so that is 1580 divided by 108. So we have, so that means x is 14,629.62. So let's have it that way. So that means the cost price now. Cost price of the item is what? 14,629.6. So we can see approximately that one. So now, so the next is we want to find the amount we sell it in order to make a profit of 12%. So what we're going to do now is the profit. We want to do for selling price. If you don't know, it is 100% plus the profit, which is 12%. So that will give us 112%. So we are not going to buy 112% of the cost price, which is 14,629.6. So that will give us multiply by 1.12. So this gives us 16,385.18. So approximately is 16,385. So which is option B there. That's option B. I hope that is very clear. All right. So the last question we have here is question number 5. Question number 5 here. So do we have any more questions? No. So question number 5. So a woman bought 5 crates of eggs, so which is 150 pieces, right? If 20% of the eggs were broken, find the cost per non-broken eggs to make a profit of 10%. So this question, the price is missing here. So sorry for that. So let me check if I can get it. All right. So I've got the right number there. So what we have is this 15 naira. So Uma bought 5 plates of egg, 150 pieces for 15,000 naira. So if 20% of the eggs were broken, so the first thing, broken eggs. Let's calculate the broken eggs now. So broken eggs. So broken eggs. 20%. That will be 20 divided by 100 multiplied by 15. So 0, we cancel this 0. So, sorry, what am I doing? Multiply by 150, not 15,000. Multiply by 150. So 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0. That is 2 times it, that is 30. So 30 were broken. So non-broken eggs now, non-broken will then be 150 minus 30. This is going to be what? 120. Now, If okay, find the cost per non-broken eggs. Find the cost per non-broken eggs to make a profit of 10%. That is, how much will you sell the remaining eggs, the non-broken eggs, to make a profit of 10%. So which means cost price is given already, which is 15,000 naira, right? 15,000 naira. So we are looking for selling price. So selling price will then be what? 100% plus profit, which is for 10% of the cost price. So that will give us what? 110% of the cost price, which is 15,000 naira. So this zero, we cancel this zero. So we then multiply. So 110 by 150. 110 multiplied by 150, and that gives us 16,000, 16,500. So now per per one. So we then divide this. This is total selling price. So we divide it by what? 120 divided by 120, and that will then give us 137.5, which is option what? Option B. So that is that on this question. So this is the end of this video. If you are new to this channel and find this video useful, don't forget to watch subscribe and make sure you give us a big thumb up. Share the video with your loved ones. So we meet in our next video. Bye for now.